Wow, welcome back to Smears Encounters. Early arvo, let's go get the trailer. There we go, that's my new purchase done. When Collie wants a bigger gear, have a squeeze in the mirror, you can just see it. Yeah. Bought a bit of a basher. Something to have a bit of fun because well, I sold the dirt bike after coming off it. I said I wasn't going to sell it, and then someone messaged me like 2 days later, paid what I wanted, and bye-bye dirt squirter. So we got something else I can squirt dirt. It's a lot bigger and should be safer, but not, if you catch my drift. You'll have to wait till the end of the video to find out what it is. Once we get it home, we'll show you. I'm just in a rush to get this trailer off, get this car home, get the trailer back to the rental because it's a bit of a tight rental. Yeah. Yes. Yeehaw! Thanks to the BJ. Well, I think it's now like the third or fourth time we've been trying to work on this. It is getting done between everything else. So I went through, cleaned up some of this thing's wiring, put an earth block on its frame, and that's the positives. There is rubber here on the tape, and the bolt is sideways, so I'm just trying to clean it up a fair bit. Girls, go. Who's it? Who's it? So at the moment we're just done the Klex prep on the 60, so I'm feeling like doing stuff. Really just going to add some weight to it, so there's all the steel on it. That red channel I trip over in other videos, it's for the arse end of this, to put some weight in it. I'm moving where the battery is because the battery is in a dangerous location, and the battery is going to go over there. So the fuel tank's got a leak, which I've fixed one of them, but I've got another leak, so I've got to fix that. I put a new pump in the tank, but yeah, let's just do some stuff on it. It's kind of tinkerer, so I've been doing a fair bit off camera with it because I'm just trying to get stuff done, and I want to take it for a rip. So yeah, it is what it is. It's an old buggy, so So there we go, there's the windscreen section. Technically we're leant back. I think this side leant back further than that side, but I don't care. So that's still hot. Welder's actually doing a pretty nice job. And for once it actually didn't mind welding overhead. So yeah, good old Manger. Can't wait to get this thing done and abuse it a bit. Zan. Get him, Diesel. Get him. Who's there? Who's there? Good old welder's doing its job. I think that might actually be enough now for one video for you guys. Introduce you to the Manger. Haven't really figured out a name for it. I'm just going to call it the Manger, the Basher. You know, all that good stuff. But we've got somewhere to go with it before it's going to be actually finished and used and abused. Diesel. So yeah, something a bit safer than a dirt bike. Or is it? We'll find out. So a couple more things to do to this, which will take you along with, but it'll just be a tinker along. Take me a couple of weeks to actually get a video on this because I'm doing a couple hours here, a couple hours there. Whereas with the cruisers, you know, we just done the Klex prep on the 60. So she's sitting there ready. She's nice and clean. Look at this clean girl. Got my fridge in here. Look at that. Spotless. But yeah, can't wait to get stuck into that car, seriously. Hey Sneasel, hey, 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 hey. We will catch you on the next one.